Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Brian James. Today I'm just going to talk a bit briefly about my latest project car. This is my third Chevron. If this is your first time watching the channel, then please take some time, go through the other things that I've posted, and you'll see that these little cars are my passion. This is my third one. The other two I've got a Lucky Strike one and a satin black one. Quite interesting following the builds of them, so please do take your time and take a look. But today we're going to talk about this car. So this was bought for a very cheap price. It was running a 12A peripheral port rotary motor, and it was bought to take the motor and gearbox out of it. The person didn't want the rest of it, so I picked it up nice and cheap. With that being said, I did need spares. These vehicles haven't been made for the past, 15, 20 years. And seeing I own two of them, I thought, well, it came in at such a good price, I can't refuse not having spare chassis, fiberglass, windscreens, diffs, look, everything that came with the car. While I was thinking about it, I thought, well, I've got so many spares for these, I can build a whole nother car. Obviously this one I can't put on the road because it's lost all of its data and it's no longer in the system. So I thought I'd turn it into a burnout car. I could have turned it into a track day car, but that's not my passion, that's not my scene. I do like watching burnouts, and the couple of burnouts that I have actually done I've really enjoyed, so I thought, why not? I have a spare 3.8 litre V6 out of a VP Commodore, so that can go into here along with the automatic transmission. It's got a GM diff, it's out of a VL Commodore, so it's the shortened version diff with a limited slip. I am thinking about doing something about that because the axles are quite thin, but we'll see. This build is going to be all about not throwing money at it. I'm going to try and do as much as I can with what I've got without spending a lot of money. Obviously I do need to buy a few things, you can see, but those wheels, stud pattern and that aren't set for what I want. I've got multiples of BMW wheels, so I'm just going to use those. So I'll redo the stud pattern, maybe just put adapters on. I'm not going to have a radiator up in the front, I'm going to have it up at the rear. Because in a burnout comp, you're not moving very fast, so I can put a lot bigger radiator up the back, which will help keep the motor a lot cooler. So look, please subscribe, hit the like, hit the subscribe button. I will be posting regular videos on the building of this and what we're doing, so you'll be able to follow it as we go through. My hope is to have this all done and working before Christmas. Obviously I have quite a good timeline to be able to do that in, and a lot will depend on work, if I can manage to actually find a job, and posting up videos for you guys to watch. Hey look, thank you very much, you have a good day, see you later, bye bye.